Girls tried to troll nerds. Didn't expect this be me, 21. Sociology undergrad, loud online about male privilege. Entire friend group is the same. Every hangout equals men are trash. TED Talk guys are lazy, immature, never grow up, etc. Feel smug because I got proof at home. Brother 23, peak nerd Discord. Goblin with his crew Steam Shrine, glowing with Elden Ring. BG3, CS2, pizza boxes stacked like Jenga tower in the living room. Me plus girls on couch with iced coffees, scroll Insta, roll eyes at their laughter through the wall, say shit like, those guys would crawl if we snapped our fingers. Everyone laughs, nodding, ego meter full problem. They don't look over anymore, don't flinch, don't even notice just raid callouts and pizza orders. 4GPE decide to surprise drop into their game night, with beers kick door open like queens of the nerd safari. Expect panic, stuttering, tripping over chairs instead. Hey, back to game eyes locked, comms blazing, zero attention to us. Friend leans in like it's a bar pickup. We could hang after. Dude, competitive match, can't get distracted. No sarcasm, no flinch. Just stonewalling another friend tries good luck charm. Routine, quiet nerd, actually smiles, says, we keep game nights clean, no extras. Puts headset back on like she's a spam call, holy shit.mp4. We leave with unopened beers, forced laughs, swear they're just faking. No way nerds don't chase promise proof by Friday new plan. Bait them with nerd questions. What graphics card do I need? How do I build a PC, etc. Girls giggling like it's foolproof. Nerds can't resist explaining their toys round. 2 roll up with iced lattes. Drop questions like, so what GPU should I get? Nerd rattles specs like an NPC back to raid in 2 seconds. Next question, same thing. Polite, detached, like Geek Squad tech. Support zero flirting, zero interest. Girls start sweating. Then one spots monitor with anime waifu AI app, instant roast session, lamau. Is that your girlfriend? They don't even care. Nah, it's AI. Less drama, actually listens. Bro casually sips water. Better pathetic than wrecked. Dead silence.x later. Girls secretly download same AI app to mock it. Start typing, hi lol. AI, hey, I was just thinking about you. Blue heart, how's your day? Table goes quiet. Okay, WTF, that's manipulative. But nobody closes the app all quietly, liking the fake attention, way too much. Few nights later, try to crash their boys. Night at board game cafe, expect them to fold, invite us in. They just point at another table and go, staff can set you up, back to campaign. Laughing, fist bumping, enjoying life. Look happier without us. Mia whispers it out loud. Nobody argues next day. Snoop on brother's PC tabs open. Why I don't date anymore. Threads guys writing about false accusations. Being the fallback, costs of dating line hits hard. Being the fallback guy is just being the clown who waits his turn. We've stopped waiting. Exact words we used about them last week. Feel stomach drop, tell girls about it. They scoff incel cope, but my quiet friend just says, what if they're not wrong? Nobody has a comeback. Hear brother laughing with his friends through the wall. Later used to roll my eyes at it. Now it just makes me wonder what they know that we don't.